Mary, hoping to leave the hardships and loneliness of her past behind, embarked on a new life running a bar in a remote Australian town. The occupants are all driven by fear, striving to survive both mentally and physically in the harsh environment. She'd taken little notice of the flush of excitement in William's cheeks, and his imperishable enthusiasm as he relayed stories of recent gold strikes. There were few people left to pay the shilling required for her to communicate with their dead relations, and nobody wanted to part with sixpence for her grog. It would seem Will's run off to the goldfields, her maid said. Mary dreams of returning to England, but that would require a fortune. Mary leaves town in search of William. Crossing the Australian wilderness brings new trials and terrors. Behind her a fire raged as she sprinted down the stairs, her heart clenched with guilt at the knowledge of how the lost souls had been there for her, but nobody had come to their aid when alive. Meanwhile in London, Johnny recalled the words spouting from George's mouth before he heard the bang. "It was your mother who was all wrong. She was the destroyer of all our lives." Johnny searches for information. Did my parents even know I was born of a woman they claimed as a friend? Johnny discovers a mysterious and fascinating book, written by his grandfather Alexander. Will Harmony and Johnny find true love and marry? Who will survive the ghosts, secrets, lies and devious dealings of the new industrial world? Will Alexander's book provide some answers? Thank you for watching. All my books can be found on Amazon, Audible, and all your favorite online bookstores.